of Caribbean food here, Jamaican and African. All the Caribbean food is here. Come and see the Caribbean.
Okay. So people, he's gonna show us his selection of Caribbean food, condiments, and all of those stuff.
See everything you have here, ackee, callaloo, everything here, cheese. Look, you have the best cheese here in the world. Cheese. You have everything here, curry powder, the best Mountain Dew curry powder, crackers. We have all the crackers, see? Spice bun, everything, Irish moss. See all the Irish moss, spray gin, everything. You got everything here, man, that you need from the Caribbean.
So see what's going on, my people. So guess what? So we are about to pack some barrels of these food items that you see here, and this is what I'm talking about. For those of you who don't know barrels, they call it jumbo barrel. So anytime I'm getting barrel, I just invest in the plastic ones because they are multi-purpose. So anyway, the latest Easter, so we're gonna see if we can get 2 more of these guys, this guy right here, so that we can start pack them up and start pack up these guys, so we can get them ready for the individuals that gonna be getting them to ship them off to Jamaica. So my family is already in the truck. There they are. I don't know why my wife is looking at me like that. I didn't tell her to come, so I'm doing my thing and she's upset. So what I'm gonna have to do for the barrels to fit, we're gonna have to break down the third row of seat so that they can fit. Yeah, I already measured it already and see where they're gonna fit. So
hello viewers.
So that's it. So it can hold 2. Normally I use the car, but the family said they want to come, so this is where we are right now. So yeah, heading to Bongo right now to see if I can pick up these 2 barrels and come back home. Yeah. Yes, Max, what's up, bro?
He wants his bus.
You want your bus?
Is the Bongo in Atlantic City or Pleasantville?
In the Atlantic City. You want your bus?
He has a car. Max, you have a car.
Yeah, here's my phone. Call Uncle Dorian. Yeah, give it to him. We are heading to Bongo. It's an African store in Atlantic City. There right now is the only location in Atlantic City that I know of that I can get the barrels. Before you had a couple stores, but they don't carry them anymore. So this is the only store that I can go right now where I can find them. So I'm just going down there to pick up 2, come back home and see if I can start organizing stuff then to get them packed. Yeah.
Why is the store called Bongo?
Because that's the name of the owner. Yes,
Wait,
sir.
was it a boy or a girl?
It's a man.
It's a
You
man.
call Uncle Dorian?
No.
Why
Wait,
not?
did the man die?
No, he's still alive.
Wait, he's the boss of the
Yes, he's the owner.
Oh, he's the owner.
So there's the wife, there's my wife right there. You know, she's not really in the YouTube thing, but you know, they wanted to come along, so they have to be in the video this morning. And there you got Alex, and that is Max right there. Yeah.
Someone down Tennessee Avenue.
Yes, yes.
And here's Puppy. Her name is Backwards.
Yeah. Yeah. So normally I would just drive the car and just put it on the back seat, but you know, my wife was out with the car, so I had planned to use the truck. So it's a good idea because I planned to pick up 2 anyway, and the car couldn't hold 2. So I fold down the 3rd row seat in the truck and measured it up, and it can hold 2. So that worked out great for me. Contact information in the description, and any of you that are interested in getting one of these barrels, all you have to do is leave your name, WhatsApp message me your name and phone number. I will get the information and I will put it in the drawer, and the individuals or the family that name will be drawn, I will call them up and let them know that you are one of the winner. And as I say, you don't have to worry about shipping, clearing. I will absorb the cost, and all you gotta do when I call you, just pick it up. Yeah, it may sound too good to be true, but I guarantee you, my viewers, there's no string attached. Matter of fact, you don't even have to subscribe. You don't even have to subscribe to win one of these barrels. As I said, just your name, your number to the contact information in the description. That's all you gotta do. Your only responsibility that you gotta do is when I call you, let you know, you just pick up the barrel. Yeah, no Anansi story, no fairy tale, no gimmicks. This is the honest thing that we're doing. Alright, so stay tuned, people. We're on our way to Bongo to see if he has any of those barrels down there, and pick them up and come back home and get these stuff sorted out. Alright? So these are the barrels. So hey, everybody that has been asking about where can get barrels, if you are from the Atlantic City region, the only place that you can get barrels is at Bongo in Atlantic City. Yeah. On Tennessee Avenue.
Yeah, and 9 South Tennessee Avenue.
9 what?
9 South Tennessee Avenue.
Alright, so people, don't waste your time shopping at ShopRite, Acme, or any of those, or Walmart or Sam's. The only place you're gonna find barrels in Atlantic City right now, these guys right here, is at Bongo in Atlantic City. Don't waste your time or you ain't gonna find it.
And Princetonville also. 24 Old Turnpike, Princetonville, New Jersey.
New Jersey.
Yeah, there's another location over there that you can find all the size of the barrel.
Okay.
Not only the barrel, you have all your Caribbean food here, Jamaican and African. All the Caribbean food is here. Come
Wonderful.
and see the Caribbean.
Okay. So people, he's gonna show us his selection of Caribbean food, condiments, and all of those stuff.
See everything you have here, ackee, karalu, everything here, cheese. No, you have the best cheese here in the world. Cheese. You have everything here, curry powder, the best Mountain Dew curry powder, crackers. We have all the crackers, see? Spice bun, everything, Irish malls. See all the Irish malls, fridging, everything. You got everything here, man, that you need from the Caribbean.
From the Caribbean.
So from 9 to 8 p.m.
From 9 to 8 p.m. So people, as you can see, we have a nice selection of Caribbean products, Jamaican products. You got your Linstead Market, Callaloo, you got your Grace, you got your Spur Tree, you got your Walker's Wood. You got your Jamaican Choice, Excelsior, Big Bamboo Irish Mash, Supplegent, and HTB bun. So if you are in the taste, or you want to get some authentic Caribbean items, seasoning, condiments, come check Bongo in Atlantic City on Tennessee Avenue. Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can get my bars. My wife is getting upset.
Okay.
So as I said, people, this is the store, Bongo, in Atlantic City on Tennessee Avenue. Whenever in the market for barrels, just go and check him out. So people, see it, here it is right here. Yep. Fit perfectly. Yep. So he was kind enough to put them in the trunk for me. We are good. So we are heading home now to see if we can start to pack them up. Just reach home back and see if I can get these guys out of the truck. Yeah, fit perfectly. Yeah, as I said, normally I would, when I'm going by myself, I would just load it up on the back seat of the car, put it inside. But since I was getting two and the family said that they wanted to come with me, I just, you know, fold down the third row seat, and they fit perfectly. One thing with these Kia Telluride trucks, they have a lot of space in them. They are three row of seat. There's a lot of space. Let me let you take a look. There's a lot of space in it. Yeah. It's 3 row of seats. Yeah. So I just collapse down fold down the third row, and they fit perfectly. Unbelievable. I can't believe it. Yeah. It's a nice truck. Yeah, nice family vehicle. A lot of space, a lot of room. 6-cylinder. Yeah. So I'm gonna see if I can get these guys out right now. Yep. They are in the garage. Just empty them out of the truck, and they are in the garage. I'm gonna see if I can start organize these items right here. Super excited that we are doing this, and it's amazing to see how when you put your mind and your heart to something, how it works out. The flour and the sugar, we're gonna have to put them in some plastic bags, you know, just to tie them up and give them a second layer of protection, because we're gonna have soap and deodorant and body wash, laundry detergent, and those items that have in perfume. They'll be going in the barrel also. So just to protect them from absorbing the perfume, I'm gonna have to put them in bags, and yeah. So yeah, so that's where we are, people. You know, I'm gonna do the rice. I have 2 20-pound bags of jasmine rice. I have 1 20-pound bag of basmati. I have 2 20-pound bags of Carolina long grain. I have a 10-pound bag of parboiled rice. I have a 5-pound bag of brown rice, and I have three. What's that? Is that 5 pounds? Yeah, I have 3 5-pound bags of jasmine rice. So I'm going to see if I can work them out as best as I can to make sure they are really packed properly and divided properly in the barrel. So I don't know, people, let me know. Some people have preference, but that's where we are. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I don't wanna cut any of the bags to divide anything. It's just what it is. Whatsoever go in the barrel, I guess that's whatsoever I'm gonna have to work with, because I'm not cutting any of the bags of rice. If a person get a 25 pound of jasmine, or a 20 pound bags of regular rice, or a 20 pound bags of basmati, or parboil, or brown rice, that's just how we gotta work it out, because I'm not bursting any of the bags to separate or to share anything. The way it comes is the way I'm put it in the barrel. So forgive me people. If you wanted a basmati and you didn't get the basmati, you got the jasmine or the long grain rice. Yeah, that's how it got to work. All right, but I'll try to work it out as best as I can. Yeah. So, as I say, my people, as I say, my viewers, gonna sort out these guys, arrange them properly, tape up the lids that need to be taped up, the flour and the sugar that can absorb the chemical from the shampoo, deodorant, conditioner, and laundry detergent. I'm gonna put those in bags and see if I can get everything ready, organized, so that I can start packing them in those barrels right over there. All right, so see you on the next video when I start organize them and get them ready to pack. All right, thanks for tuning in. You again, you have a blessed one. Be safe on your journey. Peace and love every time from Mannix Robinson TV. Bless up yourself.